What about a Daddy?
Okay.
What about a Tom? Good boy. Yeah. What about a fish? What about a crocodile?
Papa.
Spat, 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 spat. What about a monkey? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
What about a gorilla?
Oh.
What about a pussycat? Is it really? That's cool. But you should do this how anything. What about the sheep? Can you do the sheep?